Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to debug Google Chrome Fetch API failures, step by step, updated for 2026. The Fetch API is used to make network requests from web pages. Failures usually happen because of network issues, CORS restrictions, server errors, or incorrect request setup. First, open Google Chrome and launch Developer Tools using Control plus Shift plus I or Command plus Option plus I. Go to the Network tab and reload the page. Filter by fetch/XHR to see all fetch requests and their status codes. Next, click a failed request and inspect the headers and response tabs. Check the request URL, HTTP method, and server response. Look for errors like 404, 403, 500, or CORS blocked. If CORS is the problem, the server must send the proper access control allow origin header. Requests from unauthorized origins will be blocked by Chrome. Also check the fetch syntax in your code. Ensure the method, headers, and body are correct. Missing content type or malformed JSON often causes failures. Clear browser cache if needed. Go to Settings arrow Privacy and Security arrow. Clear browsing data. Select cached images and files. And clear. Corrupted cached responses can interfere with fetch. Disable interfering extensions. Open Chrome / extensions and turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions temporarily, then reload the page. Finally, update Chrome via Chrome / settings / help and restart. Updates fix bugs and improve Fetch API behavior. And that's it. By inspecting requests, checking headers and responses, validating CORS, reviewing fetch syntax, clearing cache, managing extensions, and updating Chrome, you can fix most Fetch API failures effectively. Hey everyone!